If Bitcoin is such a threat, why hasn't it been shut down? Governments shut down websites, companies disable apps, banks freeze accounts. So why does Bitcoin keep running? The reason is that Bitcoin isn't hard to shut down by accident. It's hard to shut down by design. There is no central point of control, no headquarters to raid, no CEO to arrest, no servers to seize, and no switch to flip. Bitcoin simply exists as software, run by thousands of independent participants across countries all over the world. Think of it this way. A building can be shut down. You cut the power, you lock the doors. But a wildfire can't be turned off. It spreads and adapts wherever conditions allow. Bitcoin behaves like the wildfire, not the building. There's no central authority. No one can change its rules or stop transactions for everyone. Even its developers can only propose changes. It's the users who decide which rules to run. The network is a collection of independent participants, nodes who act as the rule keepers, and miners who process transactions. When China restricted mining, the network barely flinched. Hash rate dropped temporarily, but miners simply relocated, and Bitcoin adapted, continuing without interruption. Because mining uses energy, and energy exists everywhere, a coordinated global shutdown across competing nations is nearly impossible. And the code itself is open source. You can't unpublish an idea that's already in the wild. Every person who runs a node is casting a quiet vote, saying these are the rules I accept, and no one can change them for me. Bitcoin is hard to shut down because it has no center, no owner, and no single jurisdiction. This resilience isn't an accident. It's engineered.